Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change currency on hotels.com. So if you also want to change currency on hotels.com, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open hotels.com application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here hotels.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. From this interface, you'll be able to search for the hotels. You'll be able to get amazing deals on hotels over here. If you want to change the currency, what you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, search, trips, inbox and account. All you have to do is tap on the account option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for settings, legal, help and feedback. All you have to do is tap on the settings option that you can see at first. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to settings interface. From here, you'll be able to access the app settings. You'll be able to find the option for reason, language, currency and display appearance. You can see over here, if you tap on the option currency, you'll not be able to change the currency over here. So in order to change the currency, what you have to do is change the reason. So simply tap on the option reason that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see several reasons. Now what you have to do is identify the country of whose currency that you want to select. Once you identify it, simply tap on that country. Now you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up over here. This will remove all your search history. Simply tap on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while, hotels.com application will load again. Now you can see over here your currency as well as reason will be changed. So that is how you change currency on hotels.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.